Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm going to be putting together the Legend Force tiller that I bought last fall. Home Depot had them on sale in the fall for $250. My brother sent me a link for it, so picked it up. I was actually pretty upset with how it arrived. It was completely covered in oil from shipping. It had markings on it this side up, but it looked like they shipped it whatever way they pleased. And the box was in pretty rough shape. I'll show some video of it here. And like I said, my biggest concern is the fact that there's oil seeping out of this box all over the place. So get it open and see what's going on inside here. Just disappointed in the way this looks in here. I probably won't order anything else, at least nothing mechanical or large off of Home Depot's website, because I mean, if this is the way it shows up, it's not worth the hassle. And this is going to leave a huge mess. So I got the box cut off from around it. I just got to get it out of that metal frame. Again, there's a lot of oil that leaked out. So taking a lot of pictures for Home Depot, that's for sure. It's been sitting in the garage since the fall. I really didn't need to use it until now, so I'm going to get this put together so we can use it in the garden. So here's what it looks like now. Need to put the wheels on it, the fender, the handlebars need to be bolted to it, and the tines for the tiller. Came with a box of stuff. Got a little funnel that it came with. And engine oil. There we go. Let's see here. Legend Force 10W30. I think it was the transmission fluid that leaked all over the thing. Oh, and I get a free wrench in here. Very nice. So here's all the hardware and stuff that I'm going to need to put this all together. So I'll get this put together, fire it up, try it out. I got it on a little vehicle dolly because I was moving it around, and it's not so easy to move because she's a little heavy. So I'll get these wheels put on it first. It's nice these are marked right and left. There's a height adjuster that goes on here. And I can just use one of these little pins. So this fender put on here. So I just need to tighten up all the bolts here, put some gas in it, put the oil in it, put some transmission oil in it, and then this should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.